Japanese verbs, the plain negative form. And we're going to start with the irregular group, group 3. There are just 2 of them. The first is shimasu, to do. That's suru in the plain form. It becomes shinai. And kimasu, to come. Kuru in the plain form becomes konai. Shinai, I do not do. Konai, I do not come. Next we have group 2 verbs, relatively easy. We make the verb stem by removing the final mas. So tabemasu, for example, would become tabe. And then we simply add nai, giving us tabe nai, I do not eat. Finally, we have the group 1 verbs. They are by far the most numerous and also the trickiest. So we begin by making the verb stem. You remove the final mas, of course, so nomi, must, to drink, becomes nomi. That's the verb stem. Next, we change the final remaining hiragana to the a form of that hiragana. And you can see the mi there is highlighted. Now in group 1, the remaining hiragana will always be an I hiragana. And you can see now on the chart all of the I hiragana that there are, and they change from I to the equivalent a form, just as you see on the chart. Beware, there is one exception, and that is hiragana I, which changes not to a, but to wa. Also, if you happen to have a 10-10 on one of your I hiragana, it retains the 10-10 when it changes to its a form. So our example verb nomimasu changes to nomi, the stem. Then we change the mi to ma, which gives us noma. We then add nai, and it gives us no ma nai, the plain negative form of to drink. In other words, I do not drink. And that's how you make the plain negative form.